How y'all doing? Welcome to Woodshed Antics. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you've been around a while and you continue to show up to support the channel, thank you from the bottom of my heart. As always, like, share, and subscribe. That helps grow the channel and allows me to keep chasing this dream. The last video I shot was the carver's arm video where we put together that carver's arm. I mentioned it was specifically an indoor thing that I didn't take it outside, and I had a lot of feedback. One of my friends said, hey, why don't we build one for your hitch that goes in your hitch and we can build a carver's arm on that. Then when you're outside, you could use your carver's arm. Well, first, I'm not that careful with my chainsaws ever, and I wouldn't want to use it around the back of my truck. Just, I know the end result is I'm going to be scratching the paint. So that led to the discussion of what did I do outside? How did I handle outside carvings and holding my work? And so what I've got here, I'll show you real quick, is the Jawhorse. That is the brand that was local to me. There's 2 or 3 brands that make these type of vices or clamps. They're fairly easy to use. You can grab just about any piece of wood. Here's a takeoff or a cut piece, and notice it's got an irregular shape. This might not bite down on it super hard because of the shape, but there we go. Just about anything you want, it'll hold within reason. We won't go too far. It's not Superman by any means, but it's what I go to. So if I'm outside on site at an event, at a show, this is my go-to. It doesn't move up and down, but I can move up and down. Oftentimes I'll have milk crates. I don't have one out here right at the second. If I do, it's on the other side over here. I have milk crates that I'll stand on. I pack my tools in my milk crates, and I pack them back and forth a lot, so on a dolly. But I'll have milk crates I'll stack up to stand on to work on something that might be a little taller. If I have it in here, I'll sit on those if it's a little short. I also keep all of my, like C-clamps and stuff for sharpening my saws. This should actually stab in the top of a stump, and then you could put your chainsaw in it to sharpen it. I will put them in stumps if I have extra wood laying around, but this will do the same thing. I can hold this in here, lock this lever down, stomp this down, and then it's locked in. Grab a chainsaw, and now I can sharpen this saw. I'll lock this blade down in here with this C-clamp, like so. The saw rests on the back. I can go through, sharpen it, and I'm standing here. I'm not bent over something or on the ground trying to sharpen a chainsaw. So terribly convenient. Again, not as convenient as a carver's arm, but for being outside, terribly convenient. The other thing that this is capable of doing, I think this particular model, without pulling up the website and looking, I think it'll hold a 36-inch piece of wood. I don't have a tape measure on me, but they make a XL model that will hold a 48-inch piece of plywood on the list, but this is the one I've been using for quite a while. Same thing, this will lock down, step on the pedal, works both ways. It's a really good product. I've had this one a long time. You can see all the nick marks if I brought the camera over that are here. I'll get some pictures of them, and then you'll see why I don't want to carve at the back of my truck. If you have any questions about the Jawhorse, you can ask them. This brand has been particularly good to me. I'm not going to put a link in the comments. I think I'm done with all the Amazon affiliate stuff. They like to complain, so I just don't think it's worth my time. If you guys enjoy the video, instead of going to Amazon to purchase it wherever you want to purchase it from, and whatever's best for you. And if you have questions about it, ask me. I'm happy to answer them. Until next time, thanks for watching.